So we're running through it? I'm trying to be serious here, even though you guys aren't, because I know you're not very serious people.
Because it's a game.
Exactly. You can't be serious.
It's a game. It's a game. It's a game? Oh, I want to get those mechanites so we can push buttons. I want to unlock that mechanite door so we can touch them.
Catalyzer time!
I want...
And yes, people, it is underrated, but it's still a good gun.
I have a key! And I'm being chased by flaming mechanites.
Yeah.
Save me! Ouch. Let's get these keys.
Die.
Guys,
I have a key, mechanite.
Here, I got some hammer timers on me.
Same here.
Hammer timers?
There's like a
Let me get some more on you!
Yes. Oh, it's clusterfuck ahoy.
How about you get them on you? That sounded gay. Oh, Jesus! Ah! Bombers! Are you mad at me now? Yeah, I'm pretty sure you're angry at me. Look at this mess! I did this. A human did this.
Holy crap.
Did I just make a GLaDOS?
Jesus.
That's a Portal reference. Did I do a GLaDOS impression or a Portal joke? I can't decide.
No, don't open this gate. Don't open this gate. Don't open. No. Oh my god, you opened the treasure gate.
Because it has money.
It's trade.
Hello, Hammer Timer.
Jesus, a clusterfuck.
Nope.
Why did you not want me to open the gate?
Can't touch.
Because it's
No.
open.
Oh, you aren't. You got all of them. The Gremlin army is upon me. I am fucking screwed.
Yes, you are.
Could always
Careful,
survive one of us.
clusterfucks.
Hello. Don't let that Hammer Timer revive you. See you, tumbleweeds. I intend on surviving, not healing.
Come on.
Where's the exit? Oh no! Are you spectating me so you can see the stupidity of my actions? Oh, there's the elevator.
No elevator.
No.
I don't
Oh
think so.
no! Oh! Are we reaching the time
Waste a
limit?
lot of energy.
Thank you.
How many minutes has it been?
I can record as long as I want.
Oh yeah, partner.
Let's take out these guys. It's like so, ouch.
I got my own clusterfuck.
I've got the Hammer Timers on me. I've got the Hammer Timer army over here by the elevator.
Don't let them join my clusterfuck. I already got a bomber.
I got a little circle going on, so I'm good.
Follow me, Hammer Timers. Let's go get them angry.
Ouch! Stop
Holy
throwing
crap.
hammers at me.
Oh, come on, the healing now? Oh yeah, this is tier 3.
Ouch.
Can't
Help
touch.
me. Alright, good. Screw it. I'm running through the elevator. I had it. Rage quit.
Get to the elevator!
I
Get to the
refuse to give
chopper!
up.
No, get to the choppers!
Get to the chopper! Do it! Do it now!
No, get to the... No, get to the choppers!
Choppers? There's more than one?
No,
Yeah.
get to...
This video fix, we can have as many choppers as we want.
See.
Just get over here.
No. Refuse.
No,
I
I
will
want...
defeat my clusterfuck.
Oh my god, I feel like we're ODST already.
Yeah! Me.
Fine, I have to
Make
come
me
save
see
you.
what's going on in there.
Here, there's more hammer timers you can have.
Oh, Jesus, that was a bad idea. posse. The posse is thinking of something. Hello, posse. Follow me, posse. Oh, you guys suck.
Contemplating something.
Guys, this feels awkward.
Ah!
Ow! They were using some kind of group shock attack. What the hell, you guys? What's wrong with you? Don't you dare. I'll attack you. Any one of you. Bring it on, bitch.
Hammer time!
Just run through it.
Run through it. Oh, portals!
No.
No, you're in the purple. Dude, this is gonna be the greatest YouTube video I've ever made.
Oh shit, I'm right back.
Ah, it's an army of dark things.
Oh, holy crap! Holy crap!
Hey, we're timers!
Run! Run!
They're coming for you!
Ah!
They're coming for you!
I made it! I made it to the elevator. Where are you guys?
They're coming for you, man! Ah, poisonous ignites! No!
Ah!
The stage just gets worse and worse.
Oh god! I got a train! I got a train!
Fuck off, Mechanites! Oh no! Just get to the elevator! Boy,
I made it to the elevator.
Get in! Get in!
Fuck!
Hammer
Oh my
time!
god!
Just get on! Come on, man! Come on! Just get in the elevator!
Ah!
There's so many good
Oh, I'm
ones.
dead.
Oh god, I don't know what it is! I don't know what it is!
It's up here! Up high! We died.
Yes,
I
we
don't know
did.
where it is!
Just run for it, run!
I think I'm safe now. Oh,
No, you're
shit,
not.
no.
Just get over here, man!
Hurry it up!
Oh, fuck!
Just shield! Come on! Go around!
If you chase my whole bunch of my...
Check your
What are you
weapons,
doing?
dude!
I don't want to go!
You're on the wrong way! Yeah, no, go up, go up!
I don't
Alright, there you go, now you're going the right way. That's the elevator!
Holy crap!
Wow, they didn't even notice you!
Oh,
That's funny!
oh my god! Oh shit!
Hammer time!
Dude, get through! Get through! Come on, you can do it!
No.
You can do it, I believe in you!
Pushing match! It's a shoving match! No!
Oh my god! Revive me!
Go!
Hiya! I win! Victory! I win!
And they're still trying to murder us! Look at that! They're like, ah!
Oh look, they're coming down with
I
us!
like to go lose!
They're coming down with us!
You can't touch this. You can't touch this.